Honorable Mr. President, Leader of House and his debaters are trying to prove with baseless arguments that they are civilized. But it is a bitter truth, because civilization of any country never allows anyone to kill the poor people. Civilization of any country never allows anyone to break the rules. Civilization of any country never allows anyone to play with the future of innocent people and destroy their educational system. But it has been the civilization of a country. It has been the civilization of a country. We can see that poor people are being killed day in, day out. Poor people are being killed day in, day out. And once we are told to apply the rules, hence we break them. But copy culture is the main cause root of our social evils, which bounded our literacy at just 57%. Which means 57% people can read and write, other 43% even know their responsibilities, Mr. President. This is the same human being whom Almighty Allah asked the pious angels to bow, and this is the same human being who is creating violent separation among the people, separation of children from their parents and their parents from their children. Honorable Mr. President, is this civilization? No, Mr. President, this is not a civilization. This is the main cause of our destruction of our civilization, because civilization of any country unites the nations, but civilization of our country has separated the nations. Dear Chief Guest, in the signs of Holy Prophet ﷺ said that as the nation, so the rulers. As we know that our nation is not educated and uncivilized, so our rulers are cuff potatoes. They just speak, they don't care what they say. Dear Chief Guest, as we know that our rulers are cuff potatoes, they just speak. So our nation is not educated and uncivilized. If we look at the civilized countries, they are most favored than our country in the race of emulation. But we are not civilized. If we are civilized, then we are counted in the emulated and advanced countries, Mr. Honorable President. We are counted. But I again repeat that we are not civilized. We are not civilized. If where, Mr. Honorable President, where blatant violence, corruption and rules and regulation are found everywhere, where justice intolerance is present everywhere, where justice is done to the rich and poor contrarily dreamed of it, Mr. President, dreamed of it. During election campaign, many massive will bring prosperity in your life. I asked from them, I asked from Leader of House that where is prosperity in your life? Where is prosperity, Mr. President? Before taking my seat, I say some lines. I hear voices crying. That I see heroes dying. I test that blood drying. I feel tension rising. They come to me, they understand, and they talk to me.